The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kasing Jaintia National Council JNC Western Zone ni kasing dahir go chagachnang sa snyang heya Ahmad Uhami hi bamon kamu presiden hadin wada ud danam ki pajba gani gathany wakre khaler wechna tangdep ya usarok wada chna hapo ga PMGSY scheme uwana do naraliang chadu sa snyang ujrong arpawi kilometer. Kasing de chem go wa MI benta ha sa snyang wada si sikhet wom miat ikre yaw ni usrong he wada sedang wo khlo wada perdi ikre dang lai chakman. Kasing de onggole wa ha kan nyaw tri ubnai me yong newsnem wa uwi uju usrok depen kre ye o nadu reliang hadu chnang lasken wajrong kama ar kilometer we hai tai porle kasing de chem go wa kre khaler we de kre tang dep dan hi he wa de kentu yo kontraktor wa kre hok ne bha gani to ko poisa pai ba we wo chna le kat kam ka juk wa kan ni tang wa kasing de sngaw si go wo tip biang na ki pai ba gani ka than wa he ni kre ba kat tele to ibele tang dem kam te la ye chem wa executive engineer ka PWD road Shangpung division DVA de tho wa ujor percha yo kontraktor wa chna ya ni usurong he wa ni liang uni usahab sarkar da kular wo chimkhia we wam pdiang le la da kre yo ni usurok kam ni ni chakman ne liang ka sein da maham go la da kam gani kru kom kre daw khang sundon go ne bha man toy wo yo skim chna sarok la da kam ni
inagaliang kasing Jaintia National Council JNC ne step the yo jingtip I na kipaj ba we the complain ki I ne benta usurok wachna khaler hagani gathau ko the tip I nado naraliang hado asasniang OM kam arphawi kilometer ke jingjrong yong o te heni por nagaliang tinong chongchnong sagani gathan the M ki complain ne benta wombiang ukre the ki contractor ya uni surok kamte nagaseng yong I the here ki wood ulai jurep ulai pai ye uni surong nagaliang kaseng the cham sekhet ki umbiang sekhet kerkom kre ye uni surok haduk kate the man sekhet marsin kre marsin jet kamu penken mo ya hai tui por khat nyau trik ubnai me kaseng the dep ong chua go we the maham kule ne benta usurok wadachna ni hujo usurok nado na raliang hado ha lasken wajngai duk kamwa ar kilometer donhi yaw ni usurok dangla gatu kapor le dachna khler we de yo ile katwa kajingchna danglai go chakman hanre kajingjet katang bun dangbut kon hedin te nagaliang kipaj ba chagni gathan we nagaliang kaseng le lesnau si jor we dakta bha yijing le yijing kre torti yong kini kinong kre yauni surok kamte nagaliang kaseng da ongle hagitu jipor da budden chu lada umbiang ukre yauni surok te de bentai wo penthut uslap hetu ipor kani ke kontraktor da pensengek no ukre yau tu surok ngadu na reliang hadu upoi hadu alasken te na kawa pela hagne nuan kesngi da yo jengtip ina kpai ba henrei manalipai ijo hi kerukom kre dang man bai ko kre khaler ya kamte de penchrai we de snau si kesen ne kesngi da lai chem go wow dalai chem kesen wow executive engineer subdivision changpung kamte de yo le yaklam we de le kam ka kot wo ne benta wo complain ya uni kontraktor lada kamni bai rukom kre wo ile dang em kabori wo pun senge ya kontraktor toy wo to tang wo yo yu surok re manu tang kabenta wo do in wan kejing ku ya kipai ba hagni gathai